this was seen as something that was random, and that is what is frowned upon in law enforcement these days, especially the courts, the city councils. The idea of just, frisking people in a certain neighborhood just because of the way you look, that's not what criminal justice is about now. So this would be something like, let's say that they knew Phil Mateer was a gang member. We had interactions with him. We knew he was up to something. You keep an eye on him. He pulls out of his driveway, goes down the street. You pull him over. If he's got an infraction, possibly. And chances are there's going to be some kind of infraction. He's got to have the seatbelt on, or they go roll through a stop sign, but you try to target. It's labor-intensive, Eric, but it's a trade-off. What do you do if you're trying to get the guns off before you get them on? They've taken 1,100 guns off the street so far this year, but there's far more out there. There's no such thing as an instant solution on these problems. What you have is trade-offs. And Ron Armstrong, as he told me in his ABC 7 interview, he's willing to take the heat. He thinks he's got the mayor behind him. Wait to see if he has the city council behind him. But he's willing to give it a shot, in part, to try to stop the shooting in Oakland.
All right, Phil, we thank you as always. KCBS Insider Phil Mateer will be back this afternoon at 5:50. Well, there is a lot of buzz about a potential merger. Jason's got the details for us at the Money Watch desk.
Well, listen, two of the biggest grocery chains could be merging.